Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News: Bitcoin-focused trading fund is being launched by hedge fund BXB Capital. Crypto hedge fund BXB Capital, or Block by Block Capital, is launching a Bitcoin-focused trading fund in July. The fund, which was co-founded by former Binance Korea co-founders JJ Peterson and Alex Friedberg, already has 400 Bitcoin, worth around $10 million at current prices, in commitments and plans to raise up to 1,000 Bitcoin, nearly $27 million, Peterson told Fortune in an interview published Monday. The fund is raising capital exclusively in Bitcoin and will also only trade in Bitcoin and provide returns in Bitcoin. There are very few funds that look at Bitcoin as the asset you want to make more of, Peterson told Fortune. People are starting to change their framework and are no longer trying to just acquire more wealth in USD or fiat. Peterson said that many crypto-native investors do not want to hold more dollars, so the new fund gives them a chance to earn Bitcoin without getting involved in lending or yield products. You basically need to earn more dollars to outpace inflation, he said. If you earn more Bitcoin, you just own your token, so you increase your total percentage of the circulating supply permanently. What is BXB Capital? Peterson and Friedberg co-founded BXB Capital in 2017 as a proprietary trading firm. The firm's initial mandate was trading so-called kimchi premium, which involved taking advantage of price differences between Bitcoin in South Korea and other markets, a tactic popularized by now bankrupt crypto firms Three Arrows Capital and Sam Bankman-Fried's Alameda Research. Over the years, BXB Capital's scope expanded to include other opportunistic trading strategies. Peterson and Friedberg had also launched the South Korean won-backed stablecoin KRWB as part of their company BXB Incorporated. In 2020, BXB Incorporated was acquired by Binance and rolled into a joint venture for the launch of their Binance-branded stablecoin, BKRW, and Binance Korea, according to Peterson and Friedberg's LinkedIn profiles, where they are mentioned as co-founders of Binance Korea. Binance Korea, however, shut down less than a year after being in operation due to tight liquidity and low transaction volumes. The new fund comes as Bitcoin is seen as a more popular safe haven than the US dollar, according to Bloomberg's Markets Live Pulse survey conducted last week. The possibility of US debt default looms larger than ever before, posing a significant threat to global markets. Earlier this month, Tether, the issuer of the world's largest stablecoin USDT, said it will regularly invest up to 15% of its profits in Bitcoin as it shifts its reserves towards crypto and away from US government debt. Price prediction: Bitcoin price today is $26,832 with a 24-hour trading volume of $34.58 billion, market cap of $519.86 billion, and market dominance of 45.82%. The BTC price decreased -0.06% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 22, 2023, at 6:01, the general Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 14 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 15 signaling bearish signals. BTC price prediction was last updated on May 22, 2023, at 16:01. Bitcoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $26,896, Bitcoin has support levels of $26,548, $26,345, and the strongest at $25,997. Similarly, Bitcoin resistance levels are at $27,099, $27,447, and $27,650. Bitcoin reached its highest price on November 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $68,770, while Bitcoin's lowest price was recorded on July 17, 2010, when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.050000. The lowest price since its ADH was $15,599, cycle low. The highest BTC price since the last cycle low was $30,956, cycle high. The Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while fear and greed index is showing 49, neutral. Bitcoin's current circulating supply is 19.37 MBTC out of max supply of 21.00 MBTC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1.72%, meaning 328,417 BTC were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Bitcoin is currently ranked number 1 in the proof-of-work coin sector and ranked number 1 in the Layer 1 sector. Bitcoin is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 129 days, since January 13, 2023. The price of Bitcoin is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 15 days, since May 7, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 493 days ago, on January 14, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 6, 2023, which was 105 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Bitcoin's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $24,419 by June 20, 2023. Bitcoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $27,235 by June 20, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 40.94, which indicates that the BTC market is in a neutral position. According to our current Bitcoin price prediction, the value of Bitcoin is predicted to rise by 3.33% and reach $27,534 by May 27, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the fear and greed index is showing 49, neutral. Bitcoin recorded 1330, 43% green days with 3.29% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Bitcoin. Comparing Bitcoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Bitcoin price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Bitcoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, BTC price prediction for year 2026 is $564,973 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Bitcoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $64,811. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.